everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's practical, I discuss about the water bath. What is a water bath? Parts of a water bath and their working. The water bath is a essential laboratory equipment used to heat the sample over a while at a constant temperature in research or clinical laboratory. The main distinguishing feature of the water bath is it uses water as a media of heat transmission. Next is the parts of water bath. There are the mechanical part and electrical part. That is the coat, fiberglass, external foam, container, shelf, mesh. Next is the working. First, open the lid and fill the container with water up to 3/4 height of the water bath and close. Switch on the main and also the instrument. Red light and yellow light will gleam and main heating respectively. Then set the temperature with the help of temperature control knob. Allow the temperature to rise and preset the value. Monitor the temperature with the help of a thermometer, and after obtaining the required temperature, open the lid and place the sample in it over a necessary period. Last, drain all the water from the container by valve and dry the instrument before closing the container with lid. Next, application of the water bath. It helps to improve the solubility of poorly soluble substance, and it is used for heating the laboratory reagent. Next is the advantages: easy to operate and cost effective, allow no direct heat. Limitations are the regular replacement of water is required, and it is operated only by the power supply. Thank you.